Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time and I decided to break the silence. And while that was rising, I decided to make the glaze for the bread. I have butter and condensed milk here, and I'm going to mix it together to make a kind of loose paste, which I will use to glaze the bread once it comes out of the oven. Just set this aside once you've gotten a smooth paste. This is a very important component of this recipe, so try your best not to lick the whole thing before the bread is ready. So yeah, the dough has risen and I'm just going to dust my work surface with a little bit of flour and knock out the air from the dough before I divide it into 3. Yes, I know I am not wearing gloves. If you're trying to give this to people or sell it, I don't know, wear gloves, please. Like I said earlier, make sure you knock out all the air before you divide the dough into 3. So I'm going to divide it into 3 now that I've knocked out all the air from the dough. At this point, you can decide what goes into your bread. So I'm using raisins in one, chocolate spread in another, and the third one I decided to leave it plain because the flavor of this bread alone without anything is really nice. So I wanted to be able to enjoy that as well. You can make this bread into any shape you want, but for the plain one, I decided to just divide what I already divided into 4 and then tucked each one into itself to form a ball, and then I just put because it's kind of messy to do, so I just wanted to get every other thing done with and then focus on this. Roll your dough out to 1/4 of an inch, and after you do that, pour your chocolate spread and spread the spread on the dough. Put the glaze. If you don't have a sweet tooth, you can leave the glaze out completely. But for my sweet tooth guys and girls out there, now is the time. Now is the time. This glaze takes this bread up 1,000 notches. Like, I can't explain it enough. Anyway, if you decide to use the glaze, make sure you finish it amongst the 3 loaves of bread. Don't leave anything out. After that, you can remove your bread from the pan. You can start enjoying your bread now or wait for the glaze to set. We didn't have time to wait for the glaze to set, so yeah, we dug right into it. I'm going to cut into the one with raisins so that you can see how gorgeous this bread looks on the inside as well. Here we are. It is so beautiful, and I really hope you try this recipe. If you do, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.